Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafeez. So in this video we will learn how to show the records from the database in Laravel. In the previous video we have already learned how to upload the file in Laravel. So in this video we will learn how to show the list of the records from the database in Laravel. So let us start. For that we need to open the project which we have already created in the previous video. So let us open this project. So this is the fresh Laravel project and we have already created the database, and I have already entered some dummy users record in the database for saving the time. So let us open the text editor. For that we first of all we need to create the view, model, view and controller. So first of all we create the view, open the resource and views folder, and inside the views folder so let us create the users view and save this users dot relate dot php. All users and save this. So let us create the controller. For that we need to open the command prompt and write the command php artisan make controller and the name of the control which you want to give. For example, I want to give the name user controller. User controller. Enter. Now you can see user controller created successfully. So let us see. Open the app folder, http and controller. Inside the controller you can see users controller is created. So let us create the route for this. Open the routes folder and inside the route and open the web.php file. So let us create the route get all users and we will use the user controller here, and I have already imported this user controller. User controller colon class, and in the next parameter we will pass the name of the function. For example, I want to create the function show users. Show users. So let us create this function inside the controller. Public function show users. So let us import the users model which Laravel 8 provides by default. You can see this one. So let us import this user model inside the users controller. Use app http controllers and the not controllers, models and the name of the model user. So first of all we will return the user for testing. Return users all. Save this file. So let us copy this URL and paste inside the browser. enter. Now you can see we have got all the records from the database. So let us pass this record from the controller to the view. We have already created the users view, so we will show all the users in the users view. So let us pass this user to the view. Users, return view, name of the view, users, and we will pass these users to the view. Save this file. Table, serial number, name, email, td, so we will show the records dynamically. For that we need to create the for loop. For each and for each, and in the for each loop we will pass these users which we have passed from the users controller. This one, users as user, id, name, and email. Save this file. So let us refresh this page. Now you can see we have got all the users, id, name, and email. So in this video we have learned how to show the records from the database in Laravel. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.